The ones who avoid you on purpose are often the ones who truly like you. That subconscious hesitation, it's because they're nervous. And when they turn around to look back, it's because they care. Human emotions are no simpler than the stars themselves. We think liking someone is just a racing heartbeat, but that subtle pull between two people, even the universe has an explanation for it. There's a concept in astrophysics called gravitational lensing. When light passes by a massive celestial body, it bends. That's how we can see galaxies we normally couldn't. Falling for someone feels the same way. Your one straight path in life gently curves because of their presence. The way you see the world begins to change. Even the wind seems to move to their rhythm. That's not dependence, and it's not fantasy. It's simply one existence, being changed by another. The order of the universe might seem distant, but every one of us lives within it. Scientists observe galaxies drifting farther apart. The universe keeps expanding endlessly. But here's the strange part. When it comes to emotions, we always try to do the opposite. We long to get closer. Even when closeness makes us uneasy, we still try to understand another person. That desire itself might be what makes humans different from the universe. The universe moves outward, we move inward. But emotions aren't always symmetrical. Sometimes you step closer and they step back. Sometimes you wait and they stay silent. This imbalance isn't failure. It's more like the complex gravitational dance between stars. Even in the cosmos, there's no true stability. Every galaxy drifts, ever so slightly. Every approach comes with a tiny deviation. Human connections work the same way. You can never predict the distance in the next moment. All you can do is learn not to lose balance in the shifting gravity. Some people act cold because they're afraid of rejection. That restraint isn't distance, it's protection. Just like those parts of the universe that haven't yet been observed. They exist. Their light just hasn't reached us yet. Our feelings are the same way. Sometimes light just needs time. The affection you never said out loud, the nervousness you try to hide, they're still on their way. Recently, scientists discovered something new. Dark energy might be changing. We once thought it was constant, but new data shows it may be weakening. The universe's accelerated expansion could slow down, maybe even reverse one day. Sounds a lot like the human heart, doesn't it? Relationships we thought were fading away sometimes come closer again because of one small moment. Emotions aren't constant. They shift. What you thought was over is still unfolding. What you thought had cooled is still glowing faintly. Humans have always looked up at the stars because we want to understand ourselves. The universe isn't something outside of us. It's a mirror. From its order, we learn to face our own chaos. From its vastness, we learn to accept our own smallness. Liking someone works the same way. In them, you see the parts of yourself you can't see clearly. You're not even sure what you're chasing. Maybe it's not them, but the version of yourself that feels alive when they're near. What lies at the edge of the universe? Scientists don't have a clear answer. Some say it's a state of heat death, where all energy spreads evenly, and no more movement exists. It sounds lonely, but also peaceful. Maybe the end of love feels like that too. Not an explosion, but a quiet understanding. You stop trying to get closer. You stop fearing loss, because you realize that feeling has already become part of who you are. So when, on some ordinary day, you meet someone who stirs your heart again, don't panic. You can keep pretending to be calm, or you can turn around and smile. Either way, it's the real you. The universe allows every star its own orbit, and every heart its own rhythm. So take your time. You don't have to rush towards someone, and you don't have to pretend you don't care.